Starting a motovlog can be intimidating and costly, but I found it to be worth my time and money because for me it's fun, it satisfies my creative need, and it's opened me up to a community to make friends around the globe. I've been wanting to make a series of videos to give you a realistic and comprehensive look at what it takes to start up your very own motovlogging channel, so you know what to expect before you start vlogging your own adventures. But before I jump in, I want to take a moment to address anyone who just got their motorcycle license. It may seem easy to talk and ride at the same time, but if this isn't something that comes naturally to you, and you find talking while you ride is distracting you from being an alert and safe rider, please use your best judgment and be cautious. Your safety is priority number one, and certainly more important than your channel. So know your limits before you hop on your motorcycle to record content for your YouTube channel. Now with that out of the way, let's jump right in. Now what? If you made it this far and you're here with me for the final part 3, then I'm assuming you're in it for the long haul. I'm going to split part 3 into 5 main points, so here we go. Number 1, be organized. Now this will all depend on what organization means to you, but whatever it may be, do it and make it a habit. For me, I have to write it down. I have all of my video ideas and outlines set up in Google Keep, which is an app you can download for your phone as well as access online. Having an app or a notebook that goes with me anywhere and everywhere is important because if at any given time something pops into my head as a video idea, it can go right onto the list. It doesn't always make it to publish, but if you're uploading multiple times a week, you need to have a surplus of ideas. Organization isn't just keeping your thoughts and ideas together, but keeping your stuff together too. And trust me, there will be stuff. I use the GoPro Seeker 2.0 backpack to keep all of my gear in one place, organized, and easily accessible. You can check out my review of the Seeker 2.0 in the link above, but just know that using a backpack or a case will make your life much easier and less stressful. Be sure to arrange your gear so that you know where it is, whether it's charged, and how much room you have left on your SD cards. If you're recording multiple videos a week, that's a lot of data to keep track of, so stay ahead of the game or it will definitely catch up with you. Number 2, set goals. Goals are completely relative to whatever you consider success. For me in the beginning, success was based solely on 2 factors: making sure I uploaded at least once a week, and advertising my work on social media accounts. YouTube has made it easy by giving creators the option to set a publish date, so be sure to take advantage of that. Remember, you can only control what you do. It's an uphill battle to get anyone to watch your videos. Now, in the beginning, if I had a couple dozen views on my early videos, I was happy. If your circle of friends are not both writers and YouTube viewers, you can't always count on them for views and subs. And by the way, don't take that personally. So set realistic goals that you can control and worry about the view counts, subscribers, and all the analytics later. Number 3, make friends. Once you're part of the motovlogging community, be an active participator. Watch others' videos, use social media as a tool, and comment. What's equally as important as commenting on videos on other channels is making sure that you respond to every single comment someone leaves on your video. If there are trolls, and there most certainly will be trolls, kill them with kindness and thank them. Because guess what? If they're trolling, they're watching. It's also better to think of other creators as friends, associates, and colleagues rather than your competition. If you take an adversarial approach to other YouTubers, it's going to be a lonely road. Making friends in the community may also open doors for opportunities to collaborate, which is item number 4. Collaborations may come farther down the road, but collaborating with another motovlogger is a great way to get your channel more attention. Collabs can be as simple as getting another creator to mention your channel. Be sure if another creator agrees to mention you on their channel that they leave a link to your channel somewhere in the video or in their description. You want it to be as easy as possible for new viewers to find you. If you're lucky, you may get an invite to hop on a live stream, or you can be proactive and you can do your own and invite others to join. If physically possible, you can team up for a dual vlog. Dual vlogs will give you a chance to personally reach out to a wider audience, build rapport with another channel's viewers, and have the advantage of having that vlogger's support. Now, dual vlogs are a lot of work because either you or your partner will need to compile and edit the video and audio from both cameras, but the results can be worth the effort. And if it's worth the effort to both of you, you can even turn the dual vlog into 2 different videos, one for each channel. My big tip for editing a dual vlog is to make sure you eliminate any echo in the audio. It's annoying and distracting to viewers, and no matter how entertaining your content turned out, some viewers will click away if they can't get past the echo. Number 5, stay hungry. Now my final word of wisdom for you to take away is stay hungry. I've mentioned in the first 2 parts of this series that being a motovlogger is a lot of work and a lot of time. So you've really got to want to be here. My guess though is that if you've made it this far in this video series that you want to be in it for the long haul. So make sure you're staying ahead of the game rather than constantly playing catch up. Have videos in the queue that are ready to publish at any given time. Have more video recorded than you have time to edit. Schedule posts to advertise your work on social media. Now, one social media tool that I like to use in association with Instagram is called the Buffer app. Not only does this app allow me to schedule Instagram posts for the future, but it also allows me to repost content, which is great for getting other motovloggers involved, as well as chiming in on big news in the motorcycle world. I've said this in previous parts and videos, but it definitely bears repeating. If you're not enjoying being a motovlogger, then maybe it's not for you. By no means am I trying to dissuade you from getting started. I wouldn't have made these videos if that was the case. The whole purpose of this is to put you in a position to succeed. So I hope that you feel more prepared to start the adventure that is motovlogging now after watching these 3 parts than you did before. Now I've compiled a playlist of more tips that I have for motovlogging that I've made in the past, so be sure to click on the link above for more information from your friendly neighborhood T.O.G. And finally, if you have any questions regarding the final part of this series, please leave them in the comments or feel free to hit me up on social media and on my website at thatoneguymoto.com. All of those links are in the description. Now, if you made it to the end of the video, let me know what tool you will use to keep your gear organized. Whether it be a backpack, a tank bag, removable saddlebags, whatever it may be, share with us how you're going to store your gear. Now, if you found this video to be helpful or you've enjoyed yourself, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Motovloggers, if you're out there riding, please be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.